Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Chevrolet Malibu LT in Mosaic Black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5775A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.